The world is producing an ever-increasing amount of plastic waste. In 2021, the US alone produced over 40 million tons of it. Of this, only about 5 to 6% was recycled. Mechanical recycling can eliminate most macroscopic contaminants from the recycle stream, but many small particles can be left over. One ubiquitous technology that can remove these microscopic impurities is called melt filtration. Melt filtration is the process of melting a polymer and running it through a mesh screen to remove impurities. Typically, this filtration is performed directly before another process step, such as extrusion. These steps require the highest level of purity so that the machine does not break. Many melt filters have automated mechanisms to make the process continuous, meaning that no process downtime is required to change filters. Two main types of continuous melt filters are used today. The first is the rotary-style melt filter. Melted plastic is run through a disc-shaped filter. As the pressure drop across the filter increases, a sensor triggers a rotation of the disc to expose clean sections of the mesh, while dirty sections are self-cleaned in the meantime. The second type is the belt-fed melt filter. Instead of a rotating disc, this type of filter uses a large roll of metal mesh as the filter. Impurities in recycled plastics lead to discoloration, weaker material strength, and worse thermal properties. A melt filter can process virtually any thermoplastic polymer, and, depending on the mesh size of the filter, it can remove any impurity larger than around 35 microns wide. By adding melt filtration to a mechanical recycling process, lower purity feedstock can be used, lowering the operating cost. And, since the final product is of higher purity, the selling price of the recycled plastic increases as well. Thank you for watching our video. We hope that you've learned a little bit about how melt filters are important to the plastics recycling process.